Welcome back. Today we're starting the deck railings. But first, need to clean off this back deck. Dumpster. Alright, so first up, these posts. The railing design that I drew up has these posts basically at every corner. So I can use the ones that are here, but I need to add a few more. I also want to tie this to the structure, so I need to get the deck boards up so that I can see the beams below. Now to cut. So I'm gonna put it right here somewhere. Great, just draw my freaking pencil.
Freaking kidding me? Yep.
Alright, now we've got a post for our railing. Good enough. Hey. This is my new friend. I think he's warming up on my hand. He doesn't want to leave. I'm like trying to get him to go somewhere else. Go on. Look at that. He's like, no thanks, dude. What's that, buddy? You want to tell me something?
15 minutes, 15%.
Okay. Yes, there we go. Alright, so my next post is going like right here. Okay, since this hole's a little different, I'm gonna notch the bottom of this post so that I can slip in here nicely. Like that. Alright, so my next post is going down here. It's going in a hole in the dirt, so gotta dig that. Some type of clay, something. Clay pipe maybe? Hope not.
Just dig right beside it.
All posts are in. Okay, I'd say we got a good start on this deck. Probably call that a day and get started tomorrow on the railing part. And I have to finish this tomorrow because I'm gonna be gone for a week after tomorrow. So tomorrow's my last day to finish this. See you tomorrow. I don't think it'll take too long today. All you gotta do is cut it. You just cut it close, screw it in. Done. Want to see how I plan this railing build? Check it out. Always keep your plans close. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. That is crazy good. Alright, so we have one railing done. Now that I finished one railing, I can show you how I did it. Here's the step by step. First of all, see that little block? You gotta put that up, and you cut 2x4 to fit in between the posts. $34.5. Now we just gotta cut them off. Okay, now let's lift it up. Very stable now. Whew, it is sweaty. Dripping sweat. It's a hot one. Bad day to wear a black shirt, but I think I'm gonna be in like 20-degree weather tomorrow, so I've just got this left. Small portion and the railing. Up next. What do you think? Looks like a railing, doesn't it? All right, last thing I need to do for this is the drink rail that goes over the top. It's a 1x6 and needs to be cut for each one. I outdid myself. This thing looks so nice. I could have done some more detailing on it, but we were in a time crunch. But you gotta check it out because it looks crazy, man. It looks like legit, very legit. Handrail flies right past the treads. I could have done something cool here, but I thought, nah. Gotta see what it looks like from the alley. Whoa, no way. Looks like a real porch now. As we get rid of some of this trash, it'll look nicer. I really like this corner now. This corner is the spot. That was what I was hoping to get done before my trip. And it was a hot one, so I'm ready for some cooler weather. See you on the other end of it.
Andy's on vacation, which means I'm here by myself with Lemmy, of course. I have a list that he made for me. Well, really, he told me what the list was and I wrote it myself. Here it is. It's on a sticky note, so it's not as big as Andy's list. We need to do a lot of finishing work, which is just tedious, really tedious, as I'm sure you've been seeing in all of these videos. But we're gonna get it done because it's not gonna finish itself. So let's go. We're starting with filling the nail holes. All right, so we're using this DAP wood plastic. I've never personally used this, so this will be interesting. We're using a new product today. Hope it goes well. This is kind of what it looks like. It has the texture of like dry silly putty. I've done over half of the door trim now. It's going really quickly, but again, I'm not convinced that it's going to work. So we're just gonna keep going. Just not convinced that it's gonna work, but hopefully. And there, I lost some more. So just looking at this brand new door trim that just got installed, and it's orange on the edges. Not really sure why that is, but why? It's really hard to do that one-handed. Okay, it's only been about like, I don't know, 20 minutes, and this stuff is like hard as a rock. So, next up is sanding that down, and then we also have to make a trip to Home Depot, our favorite store, to get more paint. Why? We're back from Home Depot. Time to sand. Time to do the next door. It's actually going faster than I expected it to. All right, I think that's all I've got today. But I made a pretty big dent in my list because today I'm also ordering the window blinds and the sink drain. So really all I have left to do is paint. So, okay, it is time to paint, and I am taking the easy way out, and I'm just gonna tape the hinges because I can't be bothered to try to be careful. That's where we're at. Let's keep going. It's not ideal, but the plastic wood stuff, the wood filler that I used, it dried super fast and it looks great. And the paint is covering it really nicely. I think after 2 coats you won't be able to tell where the holes are at all, so. Well, I'm too nervous to bring a full gallon of paint on top of this ladder for fear that it will fall, because knowing me, it would fall. So let's see how many times I have to go up and down the ladder just to paint the top of this door, shall we? I should be wearing safety goggles, Lenny. I'm getting so much stuff in my eyes. Why is this so tight? This is so annoying. Freaking frick, dude. This is, doesn't fit. Okay. Oh wow, just like that, after how many seconds that took. It's more fun when Andy's here. Watch me paint the attic access. Voila, it's done. All right, can you tell that I have started the toe kicks? Can you? Takes a lot of concentration. Let's keep going. Does it look like I'm painting or does it look like I'm sleeping? I don't know. What do you think? Is this entertaining? Well, I was kind of hoping to get away with just one coat on the toe kick, but I feel like you can tell it's pretty streaky and the wood grain is still coming through. So, sucks to be me. I need to do 2 coats. Wah, wah, wah. Also, doing this on my hands and knees is causing my legs to lose their circulation, so they're just becoming tingly, like they're asleep. So, really, really an enjoyable experience.
Guess who's back? It's like my second home here. For my next trick, I gotta fit all this in my little car. Tetris. Just don't take the turns too hard, don't brake too fast, you're good to go. Package delivered. Now get to work. First person point of view mode.
What are you doing with your hat?
This is how the picture showed it. So
What?
so you don't have to look like an idiot with All right, so I'm back from my trip. So ready to get to work on this railing out front. I have all the supplies I need, so let's do it. What will you be doing?
Cleaning. Cleaning the windows.
Just moved the workstation out here and we are ready to go. So what we need to do is cut a hole here for a post. Alright, so we got 2 posts in. The first couple are always the hardest, so I think I found a good rhythm, good workflow, and I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Peace. Yo, what up, bud? Good morning. Beautiful day here. I'm gonna get started here pretty soon. We're gonna have a short day today, so we'll see how much we can get done. I'm gonna start actually with a little drone footage. Trash trucks here. But yeah, we'll start with a little drone shoot, and that'll give me a little before and after. Whoa. That was fun. Now let's get to work. First, I need to finish cutting the rest of these posts in. Halfway done with the posts. So I managed to get all the holes cut yesterday. Just need to put the posts in. Like this. Alright, so now we can put up the railing. Emmy's here for it. You're here for it, man. Yeah. So I got the bottom and top cut. Now I just need to do all of the little balusters. 27 inches. One's not really straight. Now we gotta lay it out and assemble it. I know what everybody's thinking. Can we get that first person point of view back? The answer is yes, you can. Here we go. Right there. It's like magic. Alright, so like that. Looks level though. Deck's not level, obviously, but the railing is. Sick. And that's how it's done, folks. You just gotta do that 3 more times and we'll be good. I love building stuff. Done. Check it out. Ooh-wee. This time. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, click the button and we'll see you next time. We're painting this thing. The exterior now is about to look pristine, beautiful. We're putting lots of love into this house and hope you guys enjoy it. See you next time.
Andy didn't think that I'd finished my list, but the thing about me is that when you tell me that you don't think I'm going to do something, I'm probably going to do it just to spite you. In this case, it's good spite. I probably should have moved my open can of paint before I got insulation in it. My bad.
A little party here, huh? A whole bottle, god dang.
I don't want to have a good time, okay? I didn't drink it myself.
Guess so.
My friend was here.
Oh goodness.
Great time to turn off the camera.
Caught the yawn. Caught her mid-yawn. Woo! Let's get to work.
Lemmy wasn't in the shot at all, so you just look like you're running.
Oh, Lemmy's ready to go.
Here's the real secret. Eye contact. Do you feel that? We just had a moment.